So I just got home from work and I have a mystery mail call unboxing from Anti-Hero Gallery. Um, I'm going to start by apologizing to Anti-Hero. I placed an order for this item. Realized when I went through checkout, the shipping address filled in incorrectly. That's on my part. I didn't check it first. I had some issues with some things. So I messaged them. Took them a few days to respond. I responded and never got a reply. So I didn't know whether or not the shipping issue was taken care of. I just asked them to update the shipping address. One stray hair is going to annoy me. So I got an email saying that it's shipped. And when I looked at the shipping, it was sent to the previous address. So I got heated and I wrote them back, hey, look, what happened here? And I went off a little bit. People get hot-headed. This is like $150, 200 piece that I spent. So they replied almost immediately that they caught it on their end and they gave me the right tracking number. So anywhere I post this, I'm definitely going to be apologizing to Anti-Hero again. Let's get into it. This is it. Got my little trusty knife. Once again, I really need a tripod or something to help out. I got legs. All right, let's see where this is here. I'm a trained professional. Don't try this at home. All right, let's go to the other side. Whoop. Ta-da! You got to use all the appendages you have, people. This thing is very well packed. It actually is a mystery mail call. I ordered a mystery piece. So I don't even know what the hell is in here. We're getting closer. Poke, slide. Oh. Ta-da! Here we go. Here we go. God damn. All right. Bears with me a second. Bear with me. We're going back. Okay. Mystery Comic Art Series 1. Limited to 50. So it was $150 piece with shipping and all that. If I had two hands, you know what? I do have two hands. Okay. This is it. Moment of truth. That's Anti-Hero's logo. Anti-Hero Gallery. We have a book from Scarlet Spider. Issue 21. Page number 4. Baldean. So I got a page from Scarlet Spider. Original artwork. This is... Wow, this is like destruction and all that. The whip. All right. So it says, instructions for double page spread. Cut as shown. Butt pages together. Tape on back. Do not overlap. Start by my hair. Cut left hand page on this line. Right hand page on this line. So, like I said, I have a original piece from Scarlet Spider. There's a lot of emotion in this. I never thought I'd want an original piece. I don't know why I got it. It's just kind of one of those things that just said, what the hell, go for it. And this is it. You see the sketch lines and the... I'm kind of curious about this piece. I need to... Wow. This is the Kane Scarlet Spider, isn't it? I'm looking at the costume. So, please let me know what you think. Like, comment, follow, all that other extra stuff. If I went back to the post that they originally had, I think there are actually still some left. They only had 50 available. It wasn't all Spider-Man. They had different artists. They had different pieces, obviously. So I'm kind of glad I got, I don't want to say stuck with, I'm glad I scored a Scarlet Spider. I don't know much about the Kane one. I loved Ben Reilly. I love the OG. I like the one with the, sleeveless hooded sweatshirt. That's, I'm my era. So that's it, y'all. I can't believe I made this video. Most of it was me unwrapping that piece. Now I gotta find a way to mount that. I guess you can go to Walmart or Hobby Lobby and get a mount or a frame. So, y'all, please give me some suggestions and let me know what you think. Appreciate y'all.